To open Excel, just type Excel in your start menu. When you are launching Excel for the first time, it welcomes you with an Excel start screen. This is the Excel start screen in front of you. On the left side, we have green navigation pane where you have options like new, open, account, feedback options. On the right pane, it displays a single row of thumbnails which represents different templates that are available in Excel. To explore more, you can click on more templates. To open an existing Excel workbook not displayed in recent list, click on the open option and then you can browse within your computer. So to open a blank workbook, click on the first thumbnail.